Hello guys, today I've got the XIAOMI Pad 8 Pro and I'm going to show you how to take a screenshot. The default default gesture for the screenshot is here, volume down plus power. It works, as you can see. The second is when you do something like this, from the top to the bottom with your 3 fingers. As you can see, it's not disabled. Oh, it's not. It works. So yeah. Now the third thing is that when we go here to the control panel, we can search for our screenshot. It's here. If you don't have it, you need to tap edit and search for screenshot. In here, system toggles. Then tag icon, screenshot. It works. Goodbye.